Whether you want a fun, fresh, or fierce look, Make Me Over gives you easy ways to transform. So let's uncover tips to showcase the sexiness, sassiness, and confidence in you. So today we're going to teach you how to recreate this look that I have right now. This is the basic makeup or everyday look. So it's very easy to do and it's very fun to wear because it's actually very nice and it makes you confident more and more. So let's get a flashback on how to recreate this look. Okay, so before we begin, you can actually grab a pen and paper because if you wanna take down the different steps that I'm gonna do, you can be free to do so. As you can see, medyo prep na yung face ko because kanina, I've put on moisturizer. You can actually use an oil-free moisturizer because that will serve as a barrier between your skin and the makeup. Kasi hindi pwede na yung makeup natin direktang napupunta lang sa skin because forgetting to put on moisturizer can cause breakouts at marami pang mga ibang skin problems. So, use an oil-free moisturizer. I have one here. So, yun yung ginamit ko kanina. And then, we can also put on concealer. Kapag ka may mga blemishes ka like me on my face right now because I'm so stressed. Pero sabi nga ni Ate Barbie, don't be afraid to show off your pimples kasi pinagpuyatan mo yan. O, diba? Talaga naman. So, kung may pimples ka, you can use a concealer. I have a concealer here that I use for blemishes. And of course, you need to cover the dark circles here. Dito sa may under eye area ng dito sa mata. And after that, you can put on the foundation na. So, after foundation then, you need to set it with a translucent powder or any face powder of your skin tone or anything that you would want to set it with kahit anong pulbos. Okay, so, first is, dito na tayo sa aking mata. This is the pencil. This is actually hard. Huwag po kayo masyadong mag-off dun sa mga eyebrow pencils na soft. Kasi kapag soft, madali lang siyang malusaw and the chances are baka mag-smudge siya. And after that, you will use a brush like this or this one. This brush. So ito, ganitong klaseng brush, angled or anything na may hard nylon bristles to brush and blend the eyebrows. Kasi, mas magmumukhang natural. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa eyebrows and now we're gonna go to the eyeshadow. Here, I'm gonna use a primer. And the primer's purpose is actually to make the eyeshadow stick longer or last longer and to prevent it from creasing. Get an eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow brush. It has to be very, very thick para nang sa gayon ay matakpan ang lahat-lahat ng areas ng eyelids mo kasi pati eyebrow bone ay lalagyan natin. And next is, gagamit naman tayo ng mas darker na shade ng brown. And we're gonna choose something darker. This is the most basic palette that a girl can have because it has the basic colors for everyday looks. And after that, we're gonna put on some eyeliner. Eto, so an eyeliner will actually add a little definition sa mata kasi ito yung magpapabuo ng mata natin, magpapabuhay ng mata natin. Para sa mga puyat, sa mga mahilig magpuyat kagaya ko, we can use a white pencil. At itong white pencil gagamitin natin dito sa under eye area. Okay, so after na ilagay yung puting eyeliner, you can now use the eyelash curler. Minsan, mas nagiging effective siya pagka pinapainitan muna siya sa blower. Kapag natapos ng i-curl, pwede nang gumamit ng mascara and you can choose any mascara that you want. Actually, mas natural tignan pag ang mascara ay 2 to 3 coatings kaysa sa isang bigla ang lagayan na napaka-thick, nagiging spider eyes yung effect. Okay, so here, I'm using a black mascara na medyo curved din to kasi this is actually special because it's for curlier lashes. And don't forget your lower lashes kasi kailangan din na mabigyan natin ng konting definition din dito sa banda rito para magmukhang doe eyes. After that, you're ready with the blush. I'm gonna use this brush. It has an angled end. Ayan, no? Ito, medyo makikita ninyo na hindi siya the usual shape because ito, nakakatulong to pang contour. So, it's gonna contour the cheekbones, the jawline if you want. Smile. Don't forget to smile because it's gonna make the cheeks more prominent. At yun yung purpose natin, yung cheekbones. If you want, kung medyo hindi naman katangusan ng ilong, pwede rin kayong mag-nose line. It's optional. Basta light lang. Kasi may mga nose line na nagbumuka talagang parang stripes na dito para makasali lang ng beauty pageant. We don't want that look for an everyday look. Soon, ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga theatrical makeup then if you want, you can request that soon. But for now, we're gonna start off with this one first. Okay, so mamili na kayo ng kulay. I suggest that mamili kayo ng medyo pinkish na kulay because it's gonna make you look younger. For professionals, for career women or business women na pumapasok sa trabaho everyday, you can also choose reds. Depende rin yan. Kung maputi ka, medyo bagay-bagay din naman na mag-red. Kasi this is the parang latest trendy color na ginagamit ngayon. Ito, medyo pinkish siya. Because gustong-gusto ko ng pink, nakakabata siya. So, you can either use a lip liner. A lip liner will actually help outline the lips, lalo na sa mga maninipis na lips. Pwede silang mag-line outside the lip line. Yung lip line ninyo dito, pwede ninyong i-line outside. Or kung medyo makapal naman siya, you can line it inside. And para mas maging madaling ilagay, gumamit tayo ng brush or pwede rin ang fingers. Napaka-effective talaga na gamitin lagi ang fingers in application ng makeup. Kasi ang fingers, mas madaling makapag-blend, mas madaling lagay ng kulay. Kung gusto nating parang medyo may 3D effect sa bibig, we can actually use a lip gloss, a clear lip gloss. And you're gonna put it sa center lang ng lips. Kung gusto mo ng parang medyo pouting lips na effect, pwede na nating gamitan ng loose powder ang ating mukha because all set na ako. So yun lang ang aking makeup routine for daily look. Ayan, so pwede kayong gumamit ng translucent powder, pwede rin baby powder, basta wag lang sobrang kapal because ang goal lang natin is mawala yung shine. And we're all set. Ayan, so ready na ang inyong mukha para sa iyong everyday look. This is actually very wearable and safe to wear because light lang siya. Lalo na kung makikita lang ninyo in person, napakaganda ng effect because napakasimple lang. Parang may hint lang ng konting drama sa mukha, sa mata. Ginawa nating mas makapal ng konti yung lash line and then nagkaroon tayo ng kulay. Kasi minsan, pagkapapasok ka sa work, nakakabawas puntos din yon kapag like for example, yung whole outcome ng look mo medyo patay at walang kulay. So you need to add a little color. So I hope you liked our tutorial for today. So next week, abangan po ninyo kami dahil marami pa kaming ituturo sa inyo. Only here, Fun, Fresh, Fierce, Make Me Over.
Ayan, that is our Make Me Over segment by Jana. Grabe. Alam mo, marami matutulungan itong mga students, yes, ang mga nag-work.
Yun yung everyday basic makeup talaga na ginagawa ng mga estudyante and even yung mga nag-office din, di ba?
Yes, and the best thing about makeup, kasi sa totoo lang, bibigyan tip, hindi, the best thing about makeup, pag nag-apply ka ng makeup is that, lalo na kung basic everyday look, yung parang no makeup look, pero alam mo naka-makeup ka. Oh, di ba?
Oo, kailangan talaga yan sa mga kababaihan. And even sa mga kalalakihan din, kailangan ng makeups. Ika nga nila, you should add some colors, di ba? Kasi pag may color daw yung mukha mo, parang mas mas masaya siya.
Kailangan nating enhance ang
Enhancement of beauty.
Kung
O,
lalo
diba?
na kung ang mata mo maganda, paganday natin. Parang,
Exactly.
I love it. Yes. And of course, congratulations to Jana. Kasi
Yeah, congratulations, Jana.
Yes, I love it.
Palakpakan naman natin si Jana for
I
that.
love it,
Congratulations, girl. Talagang napagaling ni Jana talaga when it comes to mga fashion and beauty tips, ika nga nila.
Yes. Ay, she also have a Twitter about beauty tips. I think yun ang check that out on Twitter. Meron siyang sariling Twitter account na nagbibigay siya ng mga beauty tips. Oh.
Check natin yan.
Yes. Oh, how about iTech naman? Ito na, susunod ang iTech natin. So here again, the new gadget again featured here in iTech. So watch this.
Hi, good day. My name is Martin. I'm here to introduce to you the Nikon D90. The Nikon D90 is a famous successor of the Nikon D80, which has been famous for years. The Nikon D90 is equipped with 12.9 megapixel. It has also the features of live view that allows you to see the shooting image without peeping on the camera. The Nikon D90 is also has improved viewfinder. It has integrated surface, and it is also built with design and also quality. The Nikon D90 has the ISO 6400. It has also the first DSLR that allows you to record a video. It has the 24 frames per second recording, which has a very good quality. The Nikon D90 has a lot of settings that is improved compared to the D80. The Nikon D90's handle grip is also the same with the Nikon D80, which enables you to use the accessories of the D80 to the new camera. The D90, which was released recently, has the price of 47,000. It has also kitted with 18-135 lens, which allows you to shoot a long range of subject. The Nikon D90 can be bought at Widget City at Landmark Building, Vegan City. It comes with free bulb and also a screen protector, or shop at our website at www.widgetcity.com.ph.